The challenge is that there are not enough skilled React.js developers on the market to meet demand. It's as simple as that. There is a global shortage of developers and a global shortage of React.js developers. As a result of this tough competition, salaries are higher than you might expect. It's extremely costly to hire these developers, difficult to find to begin with, and also difficult to retain, as they're likely to get poached to join another company. If you are looking for React.js developers, what you need to search for are some very specific skills that will help you to find the right people. Good communications and collaboration skills. Java, HTML, CSS knowledge, obviously React.js knowledge, Node.js knowledge. Understanding of front-end technologies, efficiency when they're writing. You also want people who write clean code and don't make a mess because they need to be able to hand their work off to the next person.
When you're recruiting developers, the best interview processes look like this. People and culture. This is a cultural fit interview. It focuses on the motivation of the potential employee, their thirst for learning, and their ability to think about problems critically. It enables you to understand if they're a good fit for you, and lets them see that there is a vibrant company culture that they could join. A structured technical interview enables you to benchmark your potential new employees and identify areas that they need to work on to increase their skill set. Finally, a compliance-led interview focuses on if they have a background in compliance, what their understanding is of relevant rules like HIPAA, GDPR, and CCPA, and their ability to learn new compliance rules and to work them into their development process. Why is it so hard to recruit developers? Well, we've talked about the shortage, but the reason it's so hard for software companies to recruit developers is that developers want the following. 1, they don't want to work on the same thing every day. They want to have different projects to focus on at different times. 2, they want to work with other developers just like them. They want to be part of a team. 3, they want to have access to training and access to a clear career path that takes them where they want to go. And finally, they want a safe harbor. They want to be in a safe environment where developers are key and critical to the company's success. When you look at those 4 points, you can understand why it's difficult for software companies to recruit top-notch developers today. At Vertical, we can recruit top-notch developers successfully because we can address those 4 points. Our developers can work on different projects because we have a wealth of customer work for the team to be working on. Our developers get to work with developers just like them because we've built a team across the globe. Our developers have access to training and mentoring to help them to reach their career goals. And finally, we create a safe harbor for developers, where the developers are key to the success of our business. If you'd like to hire some of our developers, simply contact us today. Thank you.